Hi, if you want to use night shot on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you need to open camera first, and if your phone is in a dark place, you can already see this moon icon, which is for enabling and disabling night shot. But if not, you can go in this more section and here select the night icon. And now we can change the shutter speeds. You can just tap here and see the auto and maximum. Let's select the maximum for example. And now when you're ready to take a photo, you just need to tap this camera shutter button like that and hold your camera still. Do not forget, and you need to wait for 30 seconds till the photo will be taken. So let's switch to the auto for example, and let's just move the phone a bit so it will be not so dark and press the camera shutter button. And that's it how you use it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.